Here comes the Manchester Derby this time around at the Etihad Stadium as they welcome Ruben Amorim. I think they said Ruben Amorim never do anything for a career, but at least Pep Guardiola never won that before
for Premier League.
For Premier League, for
Yeah, he won the winner.
I believe say that winner once. I don't forget for it
because I remember say Sporting win Manchester City, but I not really get it.
No money away.
So now, two of them face each other now for Premier League. This is the Manchester Derby, the first one of the season. Now get your take and wait till your team they get to offer, they bring to the table.
I believe say despite bookmakers odd, I believe say na Manchester United be the favourite for this game. Yeah. I really dey very optimistic about this game. Man City don't lose value to the point where we say I know they see this game as threat because even with the squad where they are available, the best Man City can get, not be Manchester United now. The best Man City can get for this game na draw. But then they come in a way where we say they really need points. So they will really put in that fight, but I know they see them to really cause any harm to Manchester United.
They no go really cause any harm to Manchester United. Now you dey say like that, you feel say even though say injuries worries dey for Manchester City,
they
still get enough firepower
to
make sure say they defeat Manchester United.
Now the first time we I go support them concerning Man U be this. If to say no be say Man City dey 5 points, if you watch all their games this season, you go say they dey poor and it dey very. My job put say this somehow foolish to see team not they play well because say that team go still win.
Yes.
It dey summer. Not that Manchester City they play more better, but at least not that Manchester United they play more better. But if you watch the two games, you go see at least Man U better well past this Man City. And going back to history, now I'm just say maybe last season or last 2 seasons, even when Manchester United
they never beat us for the last 4 games.
Now be waiting at the talk now. You go listen, not the rush. Now land.
Maybe world champion be this.
Now land. You can see when Man U even they poorer form than this, they still they go head to head with Man City, they conquer them. Now Bookers they just favor Man City based on say they dey home and they really need points because they don't drop point anyhow. So to me, I go stick with and say Manchester United really get something to offer. But Guardiola, he go always overthink. Yes. Sometimes you don't need to overthink to beat teams. You know, just do the basic to win them. But Guardiola, when you want overthink, now you go to do rubbish. Though the Amorim too, that one not even they think, not be overthink. Amorim not they think. Yes. Guardiola it overthink. So this game, it go be like I want to put on. Okay, they are two no be a person a relegation battle. Might just say mid-team battle. They are two. They are not looking for top.
We know they mid-team.
They are not looking for.
We did top half.
So this game, Manchester United they be always the day entertaining. But my fear for this game go they boring small because most of the players we don't make match. I won't finish Man U. They're not there. Injury not let them there. And Manchester United, their attacking option, they somehow limited. Even if you go the defense, some players not really they perform. You see the Diaz with their Stones. They don't play all the games that they play this season and also concede. Manchester United on the upper hand. If you want to talk about their points where they did for the table and their performance, it not really tally because though they don't really perform for some games where they take drop points, even against Burnley. Though Burnley come out 4-4, but you supposed to say Manchester United supposed don't win that game for first half. It's just that because Amorim not they think. Now let that game. They drag down to the minutes, to the Wayo penalty, everything. They win that game. So this game now,
the penalty they
I not say Man U go win. I not say because they not really don't impress me. Yes. I not say Man City go win too because they never. This game at the same 1-1 draw. Okay, correct score.
Now, before we for know say Manchester City squad they depleted. I believe say everybody for the world, including Manchester United players and the coach, say this squad. They depleted because of the injury crisis they get at the moment. Now, if you say Manchester United players go take this thing upon themselves, say this squad we already win this match.
I no believe say their squad they depleted. Injury is not an excuse. Now waiting the tell
but for Man U, so, excuse though. No
they tell Man U there with the injury is not be excuse. So Guardiola get the summer to replace all those people. So since you know replace them, they mean say they know they depleted. So to me, Man City they come with full squad. Play Man U. This game, I know they say Manchester United go get them for the mind, say based on say some players they are injured, and I say they don't win. Yes. Now big match, anything can happen. We don't see Man U play with the Greenwood, go Paris, go win. So that will not be excuse. Man to man, anything can happen for this game. But I know there's any possibility of Man City winning this game.
Now we see say Manchester United, most of the players come back from the international break, no injuries. But the injury that they between it for Matheus Cunha and Mason Mount, I don't really know how. If you say they go fit feature this weekend, because I see pictures from
Cunha with the train.
If you say that they.
I see the picture where they train, but based on some report from British report, it's like both of them go miss. But if both of them go miss, I still believe say Manchester, though the people who go replace them cannot give the performance as Cunha and Mount for the team, but the players they will fit into the position where the two people go play.
Let's say for instance, say Benjamin, Mason Mount and Cunha miss out. Is it the time to give Sesko the start?
No, for me, no. Don't be the time to give am the start.
How many
play
Bob, play
Zexi for there, play Bruno and Buemo as the number 10, play Casemiro and Maino now for this match now. What? Sorry.
You know the Bugatti. A big match now.
No, I don't need them for anything. Even those small match, I don't need them. Play Bruno and Casemiro for the 10. Play Mbuemo for 9. Play Ahmad. Play Zexi. Right. Then Mazraoui for the right wing back.
Give us a prediction for the game.
Manchester United 2, Man City 1.
Manchester United 3, Manchester City 1. All the result tight. Then case for say now 1-1 because both teams not really today, so they fight for their mid-table teams at the moment. All right, football lovers all over the world, all drop your thoughts for the comment section. And don't forget to share this video. Thank you.